As storytellers, one of our most valuable assets are our memories. It's how we bring our visions to life, sharing and reliving our experiences with others. I count myself pretty lucky to have spent the past few years travelling across the world, visiting amazing cities and landscapes, meeting incredible people from different cultures, and capturing memories that will live on and inspire others to follow the same course. Sometimes it's easy to forget all the wonderful things we've done, but keeping a visual diary allows us to revisit and re-experience these special moments in time. So wherever I go and whatever I do, Kingston is with me, making sure that I can capture and keep safe the moments that I cherish the most. I've always been able to rely on Kingston's memory cards and SSDs. With extremely fast write speeds, I don't have to stress about lengthy transfers or valuable footage getting lost. And instead of worrying about the safety of my content, I can spend more time focusing on creating and bringing to life new memories. To some, this may just be a collection of landscapes and destinations, but for me, it resembles years of amazing experiences and countless memories that I hope will live on for many more years to come.